Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about what is your husband or wife is hiding from you. What is in their mind, and there are two piles like always. Whichever you are attracted most, choose that pile. I'm going to use the pile number 1. For those who choose the pile number 1 or with this blue color sandal keychain, your first card is Knight of Pentacles, and I think with this card upside down, your situation is not moving anywhere, or your husband or wife or life partner is telling you that they are not agreed with you, they are not moving with you in this relationship, or in some matter they are not agreed with you. They are stuck over here. They are not I think they are hiding something from you. They are not telling you the truth, or maybe they are not in love with you, or they are not agree with you in some matter. Okay, with this Page of Cups, they are a childlike person, childlike mind, and maybe they are, or you are, someone is begging something from other person. Maybe your person is a childlike person and their parents are begging you to ignore their childish things, their childish deeds. Whatever they make wrong, they tell you that don't bother that. Okay, with this Knight of Pentacles and Page of Swords, yes, I think this person want to cheat you, but they are blocked through their parents, or through because of some situation. They are not able to cheat you, they are not able to betray you. They want to do something over here, but they are not doing something over here, that thing over here. And with this Page of Cups, that person or their parents are begging you to accept their apology, to take that person back in your life, or about some matter they are begging you. And that person is not attracted to you, they don't want to live with you, they don't want any relationship with you. Okay, with this okay, that is the situation that I think they are begging you, that person is begging you that to give them divorce or something like that, to leave them. And with this Eight of Pentacles, you had made a home, you had done a very hard work over here, and you made your home with lots of dreams, lots of desires, thoughts, then I can do that I can do this or that, but they want to, and you are not going to destroy it. What is this? Yes, definitely Tower card. And you don't want to destroy this relationship, or this home. And with this card, they are forcing you to do it. They are making you to do it, forcing you to do it. Okay, Four of Wands, you both having marriage with each other, and there are no clarity, no truth, no nothing, no vision. You don't know that person, what that person want, what is going on in their mind. Okay, with this card, Healing Family Issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Okay, maybe this is because you your parents I think this is your parents, maybe they are begging for you, or you have done something bad to them, and you have to solve that problem, you have to make it right again. Okay, then your relationship, this oh yes, your person is telling you that if you are not going to apologize to your parents, or you are not going to make with them, I'm leaving you, I am not with you, I am going to leave you. Okay, and your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Yes, they are forcing you to forgive your parents, to go and talk to them, have a nice relationship with them. Okay, shallow grave, you miss someone. Yes, definitely you are missing your parents. Yeah, you are definitely missing your parents, but you are not showing that you are missing your parents, that you have something inside you, something polite, something beautiful inside you. You are not showing this to anyone. Soulmate, this person is your soulmate, or your parents are your soulmate, and they want to be with you, they want to love you, they want to see you every day, something like this. Okay, this is what your life partner, husband or wife, wants to tell you, that go and apologize to them, or maybe this is you too, you and your partner is begging or apologizing your father, your mother, someone, and they know that without their love, without their permission, or something, without you having them in your home, your love life, your relationship is not going anywhere. This is going towards a disaster, or something happen when you are making, you are marrying that person. Your parents are not agreed with you, and that's why the relationship with them is kind of broken. They kind of leave you, or something like this. They think that you are deceiving them, you are betraying them, you are not listening to them, you are not a good child. Okay, this is all I have for you, my pile number 1. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation, or your some other situation, you have to go and check my previous videos, and if you want to see my new videos, you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get my all of new videos at the time, and and you surely get some advice, some help from that videos. Okay, with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the pile number 2. Okay, for those who choose the pile number 2, or blue colored earring, your first card is okay, it is the Tower card. Ending of relationship, broken home, broken heart, some disaster happening to your love life, and this is because you have no one to teach you what is right, what is wrong, no one to restrict you, don't do it, do this, do that, or don't do that, this is not good for you. No one is there to tell you, no one is there to teach you, to guide you what is right for you or what is wrong. And with this Knight of Cups, this King of Cups, this is some father-like figure, or some lover, and they are not anymore in love with you. That's why this disaster is happening. After that Tower card, the King of Cups, the most powerful love card in the deck, is upside down. They are not anymore in love with you, because maybe they want you to fulfill, or maybe they want to fulfill some promises, and they are responsible towards some other person. They want to take care of that person, and they want to make the money. Okay, that person is very loving, caring at this moment also, but they are thinking about someone else. Okay. Okay, you need strength over this situation. you have you have to have a strength in this situation, because the lover card is upside down. They are not anymore in love with you. They are not want to live with you. They want to leave you. So you need strength in this situation to heal yourself, to heal your body, your mind, your relationship. This is not about because this relationship is already broken, and you need healing over here. You need strength over here. The sun card. The sun is coming for you after all that all that destruction, all that disaster. The sun card is for you there for you, and it's when you are don't want to cut someone from your life, or you are not isolated, you are not a stone like person, stone like feelings, you are a kind person, or you are going to leave that person's memories, you are going to raise that person's memories. Then you have that sun card, that abundance, that happiness, that joyful time, all luxuries of life at that moment. Okay, then unrequited love. Definitely that person is not good for you, that they have no love for you, they have no desire for you, they don't want to care for you. That person is not good for you. There is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Okay, with this card, faceless ghost and the haunted girl ghost people, they are listening to other peoples. They are not listening to you. The other peoples are want to destroy them, want to destroy you, and they are listening to them. They are doing as they are telling them. That these faceless ghosts, that harmful persons, they are telling them something, and they are doing act like they are as they want telling them. Bobcat. That person is not like to live in boundaries, in restrictions. They are the free soul, and they want to okay that bobcat person wants to live their life freely, and they can upbring their child as a single mother or single father. They don't need anyone else, so they are moving from you. That person don't need you. That person is a free person, free will person. Maybe this is Capricorn. They are Taurus card, and what is this? Gemini, Leo, 2 times Leo, and Hierophant. Once again Taurus, and Capricorn, and Gemini, and Aquarius. All signs, almost all signs. But that person is not good for you. After they are leaving you, and you have the strength to and after they leave you, and you have the strength to control yourself, then you have happy time, have happy lifetime, abundance, money, everything in your life. And that's the reading for you, my pile number 2. And I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, you can watch my previous videos, or if you want to see my new videos, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get all new videos, my all new videos on the time, and you surely get some help from there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye.